Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working on a Toyota Corolla. You wind down the window, wind up the window from the driver's side. It worked. So this might happen when you maybe you change the switch or change one of the switch or change the window regulator. It don't work on all windows. So I already did that window already. I did this window over here. So now I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna try to catch it on camera. So first thing first, you gotta push down. Like you can see it work over here. You can see the window work over here, but the window don't work from this right here. And you can see that's not on, it's off. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna press and hold both window together. So I might have to put on a camera somewhere, but you're gonna press down and hold for 3 seconds while you're pressing on the other one, or you can get somebody to help you, but you really don't need nobody because you're not gonna have a camera in your hand when you're doing this. So what you got to do is push down on this and push down on this switch at the same time. So let me wind the window all the way up, and then I'm going to stretch across and push both of them down. All right, guys. So I know you won't be able to. See me press the back window because it's in the back, but you just got to take my words for it. Hope you can see. This right here. So what we're gonna do now is push down on both switch. I'm gonna hold it for 3 seconds. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, and that's 3 seconds. Then we're gonna pull up. Do the same thing. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, and then that's it. And now we can wind the window down from here. Just like that. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.